Dear students, today's topic is tenses. It is given in your syllabus. First grammar portion is tenses. So it is not so important in your grammatical portion, but it will help you in editing and omitting. In editing and omitting, some sentences are related to tenses. So let us revise. I know that you are familiar with tenses, but once again we should revise. So there are some rules. We will read these tenses first. Read these tenses. Manoj goes to school. Manoj goes to schools. Ramesh ate mango. Sunita will go to music. Manoj goes to school. Present tense refers to present time. And Ramesh ate mango. Past tense refers to past tense. Sunita will go to music class. Future tense refers to future tense. So in present tense, so there are four categories, four types of sentences. Present indefinite or simple present tense, present continuous or progressive tense, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous, present perfect progressive tense, like this. And same way, past tense also, past indefinite, past tense, and past continuous, past progressive, past perfect continuous, or past perfect progressive. And in future also, future indefinite, simple future tense, future continuous, future progressive tense, future perfect tense, future perfect continuous, or future perfect progressive tense. Each tenses have four types of sentences. So first I'll take present tense. So taking one or two examples, we will understand present indefinite or present simple tense. So positive, she sings a song, I write a letter. So here with the verb first form, v1, first form of the verb, we add s or es. And in negative, in place of yes, es, there will be do or does. So here is she doesn't or does not sing a song, and I don't or do not write a letter. Singular verb takes does, and plural take do. So in present indefinite, simple present, uh, in interrogative, so there will be helping verb initiated with the helping verb. So does she sing a song, do I write a letter? And in interrogative negative, does she not sing a song, do I not sing a letter? Now present continuous or progressive tense, here will be ing form. So she is singing a song, I am writing a letter. With the ing form of the verb, there will be helping verb is emr, like this. So in negative, only not will be added. So he is not singing a song, I am not writing a letter. So in present tense, present continuous progressive, interrogative, a helping verb will be there. So sentence will start with the helping verb. Is she singing a song, am I writing a letter? Interrogative negative, is she not singing a song, am I not writing a letter? So present tense, present tense kind is present perfect tense. So in perfect, only has and has will be added. So she has sung a song, and the verb of the third form, past participle form of the verb will be here. I have written a letter. Negative sentences. She has not sung a song, I have not written a letter. She hasn't sung a song, I haven't written a letter, like this. And in interrogative, present perfect tense, has she sung a song, have I written a letter? In interrogative negative, has she not sung a song, have I not written a letter? And now present perfect continuous, the fourth stage of the present tense. So present perfect progressive tense, there will be been is always added, and since for also will be there. She has been singing a song since Monday. If definite time is given, so since. And I have been writing a letter for 2 hours. So their indefinite time is given, so there will be for. So a negative sentence, she has not been singing a song since Monday. She have not been, I have not been writing a letter for 2 hours. So interrogative sentences, has she been singing a song since Monday? Have I been writing a letter for 2 hours? Interrogative negative, has she not been singing a song since Monday? Have I not been writing a letter for 2 hours? So now take past tense. First, simple past or past indefinite tense. So here in positive, she sang a song. I wrote a letter. And in negative, only did is added here, uh, with the singular and plural both subjects. So she did not or didn't sing a song. I did not or didn't write a letter. So in negative, interrogative, did she sing a song? Did I write a letter? Interrogative negative, did she not sing a song? Did I not write a letter? And past tense, past continuous or progressive tense, ing will be there, and helping verb was verb is also used here. So she was singing a song, they were writing a letter. And negative, she was not singing a song, they were not writing a letter. And past continuous progressive in interrogative, was she singing a song? Helping verb started the sentences with the helping verb. And were they writing a letter? Interrogative negative, was she not singing a song? Were they not writing a letter? And past perfect tense, positive only, in present, have and has according to subject is used here in present tense, but in past, in all, with all subjects, all kinds of subjects, had is added. So she had sung a song and I had written a letter. Negative, I had, she had not sung a song and I had not written a letter. You should remember that where has, have, had is added, there will be first verb form of the past participle. Past participle form of the verb or third form of the verb will be there. So here, past perfect in interrogative, had she sung a song? Had I written a letter? In interrogative negative, had she sung a, had she not sung a song? Had I not written a letter? Now, past tense, past perfect continuous are the fourth one, last and fourth one, past tense. Past perfect progressive tense. Here will be in present, have been, has been, was there, and here in past tense only had been is there, with the singular or plural both subjects. And she had been singing a song since Monday. I had been writing a letter for 2 hours. So since for according to definite time and indefinite time. Negative sentences, she had not been singing a song since Monday. I had not been writing a letter for 2 hours. So past in interrogative, uh, had she been singing a song since Monday? Had I been writing a letter for 2 hours? Interrogative negative, had she not been singing a song since Monday? Had I not been writing a letter for 2 hours? Now, future tense. First, simple future or future indefinite, positive. She will sing a song. I shall write a letter. So I there will with the I and we there will be shall, and other subjects will take will. But if a definite or compulsory sentence is given, so there will be opposite to it. So I will take will and she will take shall, like this. So negative sentences, she will not, she won't sing a song. I shall not, I shan't write a letter. And in interrogative, will she sing a song? Shall I write a letter? Interrogative negative, will she not sing a song? Shall I not write a letter? And future tense, future continuous or future prerogatives, positive affirmative sentence, she will be here. Shall be and will be according to subjects. So she will be singing a song, I shall be writing a letter. Will be or shall be is added. In negative, she will not be singing a song, I shall not be writing a letter. Not will be between will and be. So future continuous and progressive tense, interrogative, was she singing a song? Were they writing a letter? Interrogative negative sentences. Was she not singing a song? Were they not writing a letter? Now future tense, perfect tense, there will be will have or shall have according to subjects. I will take shall have and other subjects will take will have. So she will have sung a song, I shall have written a letter. In negative, she will not have sung a song, I shall not have written a letter. Will be between she will be not will be between will and have, and not will be between shall and have. So, future perfect tense in interrogative, will she have sung a song? Shall I have written a letter? Interrogative negative, will she not have sung a song? Shall I not have written a letter? And last one, future perfect continuous or future perfect progressive tense. Here will be been and will have been, shall have been according to subject. So she will have been singing a song since Monday. I have been writing a letter for 2 hours. Negative, she will not have been singing a song. I shall not have been writing a letter for 2 hours. So not will be between will and have been, and shall not will be between shall and have been. So here is future perfect in interrogative. Will she have been singing a song since Monday? Shall I have been writing a letter for 2 hours? Interrogative negative. Will she not have been singing a song since Monday? Shall I not have been writing a letter for 2 hours? So these were the rules and kinds of sentences. So based these sentences, some exercises or tenses are here given. So one by one, fill the proper form of the verb and complete these exercises. Here are 5 exercises, and if any query is there, you can ask. Thank you for watching this video.